We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the Basumee Stuffed Animals Net or Hammock with LED light. This product is designed to help organize and store stuffed animals and other small toys in a stylish and practical way. It features a triangular corner hammock made from polyester material with an elastic edge, which makes it both solid and stretchy enough to hold a significant number of plush toys. The hammock measures 51 inches by 51 inches by 71 inches, making it suitable for hanging in a corner and saving floor space in nurseries, playrooms, or kids' bedrooms. It comes with 3 anchors and screws for easy wall installation, and a middle hook that can be lowered slightly to prevent toys from falling out. One of the standout features of this hammock is the inclusion of an LED light strip with 8 different lighting modes, controlled either by a remote or a battery box. However, batteries are not included, so users must provide their own. The LED lights are bright and offer various settings, which can also serve as a nightlight, adding both function and ambiance to the room. The remote control allows for convenient adjustment of the lighting, although some users have reported that the remote is made from thin plastic and can break easily when inserting batteries. The net itself is praised for its color and capacity. Many users find it perfect for holding a large collection of stuffed animals, keeping them off the floor and neatly displayed. The black color of the net blends well with different room decors, and the triangular design optimizes corner space, which is often underutilized. Installation is straightforward with the included hardware, and the elastic edge helps the net maintain its shape even when loaded. Some users have noted that the LED lights are not pre-attached to the net, requiring manual wrapping or placement around the hammock. This can be a bit challenging since there is no designated spot for the lights, and some have experienced the lights snapping due to the weight and stretching of the net. A common recommendation is to wrap the lights around the wall behind the net rather than inside it to avoid damage. The load capacity of the hammock is about 6.6 pounds or 3 kilograms, which is sufficient for many small to medium stuffed animals, but may be limiting for very large plush toys. Despite this, the hammock holds up well under normal use and helps keep rooms tidy by consolidating toys in one visible, accessible spot. Overall, the Basumee Stuffed Animals Hammock with LED light is a useful and attractive storage solution for families with children who have many stuffed animals. It combines practical storage with decorative lighting, making it a dual-purpose item that enhances room aesthetics while maintaining order. The main drawbacks are the need to install batteries and lights manually and the fragility of the remote control. Nevertheless, the net's quality, ease of installation, and capacity make it a highly recommended product for organizing kids' toys. If you have this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports our channel.